Hi guys, it's Kostas from whatbringsincome.com, and today I'm going to make a short review about a new product called Traffic Flood. Actually, this product is quite good, that's why I'm reviewing it, and I'm trying to explain now that with this product even newbies can make some caching machines. What I mean, if we see here, we can see here the sales page. It says two regular dudes discovered the dummy proof way to get floods of penny traffic in any niche. Okay, what this program does? Let's see first of all. The creators of this program is Mehdi Dihani and Fergal Domes. They are quite respectful marketers, and so it's a trusted source. Alright, this has to do with traffic. The main idea is that you make some caching machines with Facebook ads and contests. You can have clicks from 0 to 0.02 cents up to 7 cents, and this is very cheap. So you can have a lot of traffic with this costs, and the overall cost, as they say in the product, is $5. I mean, with $5 budget, you can have a very nice Facebook ad which get you a lot of leads, and after that these leads you will take advantage of and make them convert to your product. So I bought this product. First of all, let's say about the upsells of this product. The first one is the Traffic Flood, okay, which is a PDF, and it contains a PDF and for video training, for videos with training. So in this PDF, which is actually this one here, it says exactly how to create your traffic machine, which you will make a caching machine, a machine with cache. It's 47 pages, and it has analytically explained everything you need to know how to set this up. So the same PDF is explained as well in the 4 videos, like this one here. Not like this one, this is the page of the product in which the videos and the PDF are. Here is to download the PDF, and here are the videos, 1, 2, the initial setup is 2, and after that is module 3, video 3, which is how to get the penny traffic and leads, and module 4, how to make sales after you have these leads. So it's I studied it a lot, and it's very good because it gives a lot of knowledge for $7 something dollars, which is very cheap. And with this technique, this knowledge, first of all, is about how to set up your business account in Facebook, and also how to set up opt-in forms inside Facebook, and how to make Facebook ads that cost only some pennies, some cents. Very good. And the amazing thing is that the module for how to make these leads in your list convert to a product that you offer, or whatever you want to offer. I think this is extremely ridiculous price. It's $7 for all this knowledge. I mean, what you can buy with $7? Nothing. And even if you don't follow straight away this technique, this method, it's a lot of knowledge that you have to have in your mind, which will help you in other things, how to use it doing other things in internet marketing. Alright, the second, the upsell, the first upsell, which is here. Alright, it's the case study. It's a case studies pack cost with cost $27 that contains over the shoulder the case studies of Mehdi and Fergal, and each case study, as it says here, is on a different niche. They show everything. They show the art, the stats, and you can copy everything from these case studies and make it your own. So that's very good, and the price is actually very good. And let's get to the next upsell, which I bought also, which is this one. It's done for you campaigns. Again, with $27, they contain niche research in 10 niches, and it has a lot of information. Actually, I'll show you this thing here. Where is it? Sorry. Okay. Here it is. It has 156 evergreen niches list. It has 500,000 copyright-free images. These are completely free inside the pack, and it has done for you pack 1, 2, and to 10. It has everything inside there to make your own campaigns, to make your own traffic machines, and therefore caching machines. I mean, it has a lot of information, a lot of knowledge. You should buy them, and I mean, it's pretty awesome. It's one of the best products I've ever reviewed, and I think it's great. The main idea, I'll say that, and after that I'll have it finished, this video. The main idea is you create a Facebook contest, competition, and you set up a Facebook ad, and these guys tell you how to make it cost as few as cents, pennies. So you get a lot of leads to your list, a lot of opt-ins. These opt-ins, these leads are useful because if you use them to a niche you choose, you can sell them with email, everything you want, any product that you want, and concurrently, I mean, every week you can send them an offer for a product, every 2 days, whatever. And imagine that if you have, as they promise here, it's here, these guys promise that you, with $5 budget for making a Facebook ad, you can have some thousands of visitors, and some of them opt-in, some of them, most of them opt-in. So imagine that you have a list with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, whatever leads inside, and every couple of days, 3 days, week, or whatever you choose, you send them a product offer. This is amazing. It's like I say, it's already chewed food inside your mouth. I think you have to buy this. It's excellent. Please support what brings income.com and buy it from my link in the description of this video, and I wish you all good luck.